Have you ever wondered about the secrets to longevity and anti-aging? Are you curious about the impact of your eating habits on your health and lifespan? The answers to these questions may lie in an ancient practice that's gaining modern attention: fasting. This is not about starving or depriving yourself, but rather it's about giving your body a break, a chance to reset and rejuvenate. Fasting, in its simplest form, is the voluntary abstinence from food for a certain period. This could range from 16 hours to a few days, and it's not as daunting as it may sound. It's a practice that has been part of human evolution, and our bodies are well equipped to handle it. As we delve into the world of fasting, we'll uncover how this simple yet profound practice can be a powerful tool for longevity and anti-aging. It's about more than just weight loss. Fasting can help regulate your metabolism, boost your immune system, and even slow down the aging process. In this video, we will dive deeper into the benefits of fasting and how it can contribute to a longer, healthier life. Let's start by understanding the science behind fasting. What happens to our bodies when we fast? When we fast, our bodies go through a process of physiological adaptation. In the early stages, our bodies enter a state called ketosis. This is when our bodies start burning fat instead of glucose for energy. The liver converts fat into molecules known as ketones, which are used as a fuel source for the brain and muscles. As the fasting period continues, another remarkable process takes place in our bodies: autophagy. The term autophagy, coined from the Greek words for self and eating, is a built-in waste disposal system in our cells. It's like the body's housekeeping service, cleaning out damaged cells and regenerating new, healthier ones. During a fast, the rate of autophagy increases. This accelerated cellular recycling leads to the removal of accumulated waste material in the cells. It also stimulates the production of new cells, leading to improved function and longevity. But the benefits of fasting go beyond just autophagy. Fasting also triggers changes in the levels of certain hormones in our bodies. For instance, fasting can increase the production of human growth hormone, or HGH, which plays an essential role in growth, body composition, cell repair, and metabolism. Moreover, fasting can also lead to a decrease in insulin levels, improving insulin sensitivity and leading to better blood sugar control. This can play a crucial role in preventing conditions like diabetes, which are often associated with aging. Another important aspect is the effect of fasting on inflammation. Studies have shown that fasting can help reduce inflammation, a key driver of many chronic diseases. As we can see, fasting triggers a series of beneficial processes in our bodies that contribute to longevity and anti-aging. Now let's delve into how fasting contributes to longevity. Fasting, a practice as old as history itself, is now being recognized by modern science for its profound impact on our health and lifespan. A growing body of research suggests that fasting can help increase our lifespan through a variety of mechanisms. One of the most significant ways fasting contributes to longevity is by promoting autophagy. This is a cellular process where our bodies clean out damaged cells, aiding in the prevention of many diseases. It's like a spring cleaning for our cells, if you will. By doing this, fasting helps to maintain a healthy body weight and reduces the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, and even cancer. Moreover, fasting has been found to increase the levels of a hormone called human growth hormone, or HGH. This hormone plays an essential role in growth, body composition, cell repair, and metabolism. Higher levels of HGH not only promote fat loss but also muscle gain and increased metabolic rate, both of which are beneficial for longevity. Another key point to note is that fasting can help to improve our body's insulin sensitivity. This means that our bodies become more efficient at processing sugar, which can help to prevent the onset of type 2 diabetes, a disease that is often associated with a shortened lifespan. It's also worth mentioning a fascinating study conducted on mice, where it was found that mice that fasted lived up to 30% longer than those that didn't. While we can't directly apply these results to humans, it certainly provides food for thought, or perhaps food for no thought. However, it's important to remember that fasting, like any other health practice, should be approached responsibly. It's not about starving oneself, but rather it's about giving our bodies a break to do some much-needed maintenance work. Fasting, thus, acts as a powerful tool in enhancing our lifespan by promoting overall health. Apart from longevity, fasting also has significant anti-aging benefits. A fascinating aspect of fasting is its potential to slow down the aging process. This is something that has sparked interest among scientists and health enthusiasts alike. Let's start with skin health. As we age, skin can lose its elasticity and vitality, but fasting can help counteract this. During a fast, our body goes into repair mode, a process known as autophagy. Autophagy is the body's way of cleaning out damaged cells in order to regenerate newer, healthier cells. This process can lead to improved skin health, giving it a more youthful appearance. But it's not just about the skin, fasting can also boost brain function. Various studies have shown fasting can improve cognitive function, memory, and even slow down the progression of age-related diseases like Alzheimer's. This is because fasting helps to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, two key factors in the aging process of the brain. Moreover, fasting can enhance our energy levels. You might think that not eating would make you feel sluggish, but in reality, it's quite the opposite. When we fast, our body shifts from using glucose as its primary fuel source to using stored fat. This process, known as ketosis, can lead to increased energy levels, mental clarity, and improved physical performance. So while fasting can help us live longer, it can also make us feel and look younger. It's like hitting the refresh button on your body, helping it to rejuvenate and thrive. It's important to remember that everyone's body is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new health regimen. Clearly, fasting is not just about longevity, but also about maintaining youthfulness and vitality as we age. So, the next time you think about fasting, remember it's not just a tool for weight loss or longevity, it's a way to keep the body youthful and vibrant as the years go by. Scene script. Understanding the benefits of fasting is one thing, but how can we incorporate fasting into our lifestyle? And that's what we're diving into right now. Firstly, let's discuss the different types of fasting that are popularly practiced. We have intermittent fasting, time-restricted eating, and prolonged fasting. Each of these methods has unique benefits and can be chosen based on individual health goals and lifestyle. Intermittent fasting involves alternating periods of eating and fasting. The most common method is the 16-8 rule, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window. This could be as simple as skipping breakfast and having your first meal at noon, then finishing dinner by 8 in the evening. Next up, we have time-restricted eating. This is similar to intermittent fasting, but the eating window is usually shorter, typically within 6 hours. For instance, you might eat your meals between 1 in the afternoon and 7 in the evening. Lastly, there's prolonged fasting. This is a more intense form of fasting and involves abstaining from food for 2 to 3 days. It's a powerful method to boost autophagy, the body's natural process of cellular cleanup. But it's not for everyone and should always be done under medical supervision. Now you're probably wondering how to start fasting safely and effectively. Well, here are some general tips. Start slow and gradually increase your fasting period as your body adapts. Remember, it's not a race but a journey towards better health. Stay hydrated during the fasting period. Water, herbal teas, and black coffee without sugar or creamer are usually allowed. They not only keep you hydrated but can also help curb hunger pangs. Plan your meals wisely for the eating window. Prioritize whole, nutrient-dense foods and avoid processed or junk food. This will ensure you're getting all the necessary nutrients while keeping your calorie intake in check. Listen to your body. If you feel unwell or overly fatigued while fasting, it's crucial to stop and reassess. Fasting should make you feel energetic and focused, not drained or dizzy. And most importantly, consult with a health professional before starting a new fasting regimen, especially if you have any pre-existing medical conditions or are on medication. In conclusion, fasting can be a powerful tool for promoting longevity and anti-aging, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's about finding what works best for you and your body. And remember, it's always important to listen to your body and consult with a health professional before starting a new health regimen. Despite its numerous benefits, fasting is often misunderstood. It's time to debunk some common myths and misconceptions that surround this practice. First up is the misconception that fasting is just another fad diet. While it's true that fasting has gained popularity in recent years, it's far from a passing trend. In fact, fasting has been practiced for centuries across various cultures and religions. It is a time-tested approach to health and wellness, not a quick fix or a shortcut to weight loss. Next on the list is the belief that fasting leads to nutrient deficiencies. It's important to understand that fasting doesn't mean abstaining from nutrients. It means abstaining from calories for a specific period. When done correctly and under proper guidance, fasting can be incorporated into a balanced diet without causing nutrient deficiencies. Another common myth is that fasting slows down metabolism. In reality, short-term fasting can actually boost your metabolic rate, helping you burn calories more efficiently. However, prolonged and extreme forms of fasting without medical supervision can indeed have the opposite effect. Lastly, there's the misconception that fasting is equivalent to starvation. This couldn't be further from the truth. Starvation is an involuntary state of severe food deprivation, while fasting is a voluntary abstention from food for a certain period. Fasting is controlled and purposeful, and it should never push your body to the point of distress. In debunking these misconceptions, it's crucial to reiterate the importance of proper guidance when fasting. It's not a one-size-fits-all approach. It should be personalized to your health needs and lifestyle. Always consult with a healthcare professional or a nutrition expert before starting any fasting regimen. With accurate information and guidance, fasting can be a safe and beneficial practice for most individuals. Let's continue to demystify fasting, embrace its benefits, and dispel the myths that surround it. As we come to the end of this video, let's summarize what we've learned about fasting for longevity and anti-aging. Firstly, we dived into the science behind fasting. We discovered that when we fast, our bodies initiate a process known as autophagy. This is the body's natural recycling system, clearing out damaged cells and proteins to make way for new, healthier ones. This process is crucial for maintaining our health and slowing down the aging process. Next, we delved into the profound relationship between fasting and longevity. We learned that fasting can potentially extend our lifespan by improving our metabolic health, reducing inflammation, and enhancing our body's resilience against diseases. Then we explored the correlation between fasting and anti-aging. We found out that fasting can help to slow down the aging process by promoting cellular repair and regeneration, reducing oxidative stress, and enhancing our skin's health and vitality. We also learned how to fast for longevity and anti-aging. We understood that there are different fasting methods like intermittent fasting, alternate day fasting, and time-restricted eating. The choice of method depends on our individual health status, lifestyle, and comfort level. We emphasize the importance of listening to our bodies and ensuring adequate hydration and nutrient intake during the eating windows. In addition, we debunked some common misconceptions about fasting. Fasting is not about starving yourself or depriving your body of essential nutrients. Rather, it's about giving your body a break from constant feeding and allowing it to repair and rejuvenate itself. So what have we gathered? Fasting is a powerful tool that can potentially enhance our health, extend our lifespan, and slow down the aging process. But remember, it's important to approach fasting mindfully and responsibly. Always consult with a healthcare professional before embarking on a new fasting regimen. By embracing fasting, we can unlock a healthier, longer, and more vibrant life. The key to longevity and anti-aging might just be in your eating patterns.